See children, why I have drawn this diagram. To understand the concept of pulley, we have to understand first of all this thing, that if we are holding any object with the help of any rope or a cable, single cable or single rope, then how the weight divided. See, if the for example I have taken that, assume that the mass of this body or the weight of this body is 10 kg. Then if you are holding it with the help of any cable, then this 10 kg, to hold this object we need to apply at least equal amount of force. It means at least 10 kg force we have to apply it. So when we are going to pull it with the help of single cable, and that cable is around the object, then that weight will be divided into equal parts. It means 5 kg force is applied, tension of force applied from this side, and 5 kg of force, tension of force is applied from the other side of the object. Same process we apply in pulley. When you are going to lift any object with the help of the pulley, and that object mass is maybe 10 kg, it is weight not mass, because there is gravitational force also. If the weight of the body is 10 kg, so you just try to understand that force of tension at this point, here also 5 kg and here also 5 kg. That concept you have to keep in your mind, right? Welcome back viewers. As you can see on my screen that in this video I am going to explain you about pulley. So first of all we have to understand that what is pulley. In this video I will explain you about the basic concept of pulley, how it works and what is this, how it is useful for us. So if you want, you can note down basic things about pulley, and then I will explain the detail about the pulley and the combination of pulley. It is a kind of simple machine that can help us to multiply the force that we exert to lift an object. If there is any heavy object and you can't lift it directly, at that place you can use a pulley or combination of pulley, so that you have to apply little bit effort to lift up that heavy object. Okay children, a few more things if you want to note down, you can note down this point also, that pulley is all about mechanical advantage. Now see, if you want to note down the principle, please note down that principle of pulley is what? Tension force on both the side of the pulley, that is on the cable which is around the pulley, are equal. And the second thing which already I have discussed, that pulleys are used to gain MA, that is mechanical advantages. Okay, now I will explain you the concept with the help of diagrams. Now children, I am going to explain you why we use pulley with the help of single pulley and with the help of combination of pulley. How if we will increase the number of pulley, our effort will be less. We can lift up heavy weights with the help of pulley if it is more than one. Even one is also helpful. Let's see how it will work. You just think this is a pulley and here is load. A person who want to lift it with the help of pulley, what is going on here? See children, this is a rigid support. Maybe it is hanged with the wall or somewhere it is hooked, and this is your pulley. Effort we will apply here to lift it. So what we need to do, try to understand, as it is a pulley, this is the single cable around it, and this is the weight load of 50 Newton. As right now I have explained you that to lift 50 Newton weight, what we need, at least equal weight we need to hold it up. Okay, it means we have to apply 50 Newton force upward so that we can lift it, at least we can hold it. If we are applying more than 50 Newton, then it is easily move upward. Then what? It means its weight is downward, force is 50 Newton, it is working downward, and a person tried to lift it with the help of pulley. Then we knew that if this side part of cable here is force of tension is 50 Newton, it means this side also 50 Newton will work. It means this person will apply the effort that is equals to 50 Newton. Why? Because this is load of 50 Newton and we are holding it with the help of this rope. So equal weight we need to hold it or to lift it, at least equal weight. So it means 50 Newton downward and 50 Newton upward. So we are trying to pull it. And if one side rope there is tension of force is 50 Newton, it means other side, as I have just now explained as the principle, first principle of the pulley, if this side the cable is facing 50 Newton tension force, then this side also the pulley is having 50 Newton force. It means by applying 50 Newton force downward, that person can easily lift the body. Now you will think that how it is easy. It is easy because if directly you will pull any body of 50 Newton, then you are working against the gravitational force, so you have to apply more effort. But here in this case, the effort we are pulling downward, and in this place your gravitational force also helping you to pull down, because not your body support, your muscle work is going on, there is gravitational force also which support you to pull downward that body. So you have to apply less than 50 Newton and easily you can lift this body, right children? Now we will see the combination of two pulleys. There you will see that effort will decrease. Okay, if here is 50 Newton weight and we are there is setup of two pulleys, you will see that if we have to apply half effort, that is 25 Newton. If we will apply 3 pulleys, you will see that we have to apply 1/3 effort. If we use 4 pulleys, we have to apply 1/4 of effort. That I am going to explain you. Let's see how. Now children, you just see I have drawn here that diagram where you can see there are two pulley A and B. I am going to name it as pulley A and pulley B. Now if we are going to lift up the same body of weight 50 Newton and combination of pulleys 2, pulley A and B, and see the setup what we have done here and how the effort will decrease. It means by applying little bit force we can lift the double weight body. How it is possible, we will try to understand that thing. See, in first case there was single pulley, and to lift 50 Newton weight we need to apply 50 Newton effort also, okay, force. But it is easy because we have to pull downward. But now if there is setup of two pulleys A and B, then see the setup. Now you focus here at this point, what is going on here. As this was the pulley B and it is hanged here, the load is hanged here with the help of pulley B. So you focus on these two cables, which are cable is single, two parts, that is left part and right part, which is a single cable is around the pulley. So to lift 50 Newton weight, it is divided into two equal parts because it is at the center. So 25 Newton and 25 Newton weight is applied because you can see the weight is at the center of the pulley. So this is divided into two equal parts. It means to lift 50 Newton, here you can see that 25 Newton is divided, then it can be easily lifted. Now what? Now this rope passed around the other pulley. So here 25, if here is 25 Newton force of tension, then on other side also there is force of tension that is equals to 25 Newton. It means that person who want to lift it up, he or she has to apply only 25 Newton force downward to lift up this object of weight 50 Newton. Here one thing we have to keep in mind children, that as we are applying 25 Newton force here down in downward direction and there is combination of two pulleys and we are lifting 50 Newton, try to understand what I am telling you. 25 Newton force is applied, it means just half because there are two combination of pulleys. So 25 Newton force is applied. Yes, we can lift it, but if we want to lift it 1 meter above, then we need to pull down this side, this rope about 2 meter. When we will pull it 2 meter downward, then it will lift 1 meter above. That concept you have to understand, that you have to keep in your mind. Okay children, now we will see the combination of 3 pulleys. First, now children, you see that I have drawn the diagram where you will see the combination of 3 pulleys and 4 pulleys. Okay, how it will decrease the effort of the person, that we are going to understand. Now see, in first case there was the single pulley that was only A. Then in second case we saw that there are combination of two pulleys A and B. So at first case, as 50 Newton weight was there, so we need to apply 50 Newton force in downward direction to lift it up. In second case, when we found that there are combination of two pulleys, then we have to apply half force as an effort to lift up this body. Now we are going to see that how much effort we need to apply here to lift this body of 50 Newton if there is setup of 3 pulleys. Let's see. Now you see children, we need to focus what we have to do, since see the combination, this body is holded by this pulley, that is pulley C, and how many, these 3 ropes are there around this. This is connected here, okay, and this load is balanced with the help of that pulley also, B and C. So we will think that how many ropes are there. So rope 1, there are 3 ropes around the weight. This weight is hanged with the help of this clip or hook, okay. So how many ropes are balancing the weight of 50 Newton, that we will count. So we are finding that, see this area, because with the help of this hook it is hanged, means what, how many ropes are balancing the weight of this body? 1, 2, 3. It means there are 3 force of tension we can see here. So the 50 Newton will be divided into 3 equal parts, because now we will observe that that pulley which is near the object of weight 50 Newton, how many ropes are balancing this body? There are 3 ropes which hold this object. So this 50 Newton will be divided into 3 equal parts. So on each rope force of tension is what? That is 50 by 3. It means what? It is near about 16.5 Newton approximately. That much effort is applied here on this rope and this rope, because these 3 is trying to hold the body or to lift the body. See this area, first, second and third. So here is 16.5 Newton force applied, here also 16, on this rope also 16.5, and here also 16.5. So this 50 Newton, it divided into 3 ropes, 3 force of tension is there. So 16.5, 16.5, 16.5. Now as it is around the pulley A and the person is holding the rope here from this side or the cable at this point, so how much force he will apply or she will apply to pull this object, as this rope contains 16.5 Newton. So naturally that side also equal force, because I told you that whenever we are going to hold any object, equal force of tension will be on both the sides. So if this side 16.5 Newton force is working, then that side also the tension force is 16.5. It means this here the person who is standing here, he or she need to apply 16.5 Newton force downward, where gravitational force is also supporting that person to lift the body, okay. So by applying only 16.5 Newton force at this point, that person can lift up this 50 Newton weight object, okay. That's why we are saying that pulley multiply the force. By applying little bit force, we can lift more heavy objects. And second thing, we have to remember that if we are lifting 16 Newton object, to lift it 1 meter up, we need to pull this rope 3 meter down, thus just 3 times more. Yes, we will apply 16.5 Newton force, but we will pull it 3 meter down to lift it 1 meter. If we want to lift it 2 meter up, we have to pull down at 6 meter. Okay. Now we will discuss about the combination of the 4 pulleys. Now here what we will see, let's see. Now see the combination children. First pulley A on top, then B, then C and D. Now we will try to understand this body of 50 Newton is in connection with these 2 pulleys. So how many ropes are balancing the weight of 50 Newton, that we have to understand. first rope, second, third, fourth. Actually single rope is there, but 4 parts. So this 50 Newton will be divided into 4 equal parts. It means angle that tension of force will be 50 by 4 Newton here. Here also 50 by 4 Newton. On this rope also 50 by 4 Newton. And on this rope also it is 50 by 4 Newton. And that is equals to what? That will be near about 12.5 Newton. It means on all the ropes, that is 4 ropes, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5 Newton force. So we can, instead of writing fractional number, we can write 12.5 Newton force is applied on this rope as well as in this rope, which are on the both side of the pulley. Try to understand, this rope is around this pulley and these two ropes are around this pulley, that is C and pulley D. So on both the side 12.5, 12.5, 12.5 and here also 12.5 Newton force is applied to hold the body or to lift the body. Now the person, whoever is trying to apply effort to pull this rope downward and to lift it, how much force that person will apply? Naturally, if this side 12.5 Newton force is there, tension of force is there, so this side also he or she will need 12.5 Newton force to pull it downward or to lift the body. So now see the effort, the weight of the body is 50 Newton and he or she required only 1/4 force. Even gravitational force also supported to lift the body. Okay, so second thing is that, now first thing is that by applying little bit force, that is 12.5 Newton force, that person can lift the body. Second thing is that if we want to lift it 1 meter above the ground, we need to pull down this rope 4 meter. Then you can lift it 1 meter. So these are the basic concepts of pulley, children. I hope it must be useful for you. If you like my video, you must share it with your friends. Thank you.